Kasi nandyan ay early on nagpasok ako sa gobyerno as a prosecutor that verily as early as ilang taon lang pumasok na ako sa politika.
Okay. Sir, kung sakali nga po na meron at kayo ay pasoman po, will you appear?
Again, ma'am.
If ever na meron nga po talaga, kung talagang totoo nga itong warrant of arrest ng mga lumutang, kung sakaling meron nga talaga, what's your plan po? Will you appear kung sakaling ipasoman po kayo, sir?
I would say that not really appear on non-appearance, but I will deal with the problem directly, frontally. As a lawyer, gagamitin ko na yung pagka-abogado ko.
Okay, sir. So suffice to say that you have been prepared for this po, Mr. President?
For the longest time. For the longest time since, as far as I can remember, maaga ako nung ilang years early on, so that would be around siguro, put it lightly, mga first 5 years, first term, second term, nandyan na yan. So, I have learned to deal with the problem directly, frontally, and walang pasikot-sikot.
Alright.
I have been very frank all these years.
Alright. Okay. Sir, aside from this po, sir, meron din pong i-finance sa inyo sa DOJ na insight into sedition. Unang-una, what's your take on this po, sir, na kayo po ay napailan ng ganito, sir?
Is it the sedition ngayon?
That's different, sir. Aside from ICC, sir, meron din po, di ba, sir, may pinal din po sa inyo inciting sa DOJ?
Inciting to sedition? Wala akong alam yan. Ngayon lang. Alam ko na may plano na idemanda ako, pero specifics, ngayon ko lang nalaman. Yun naman sa ICC, matagal na yun. Whatever course it might turn to, I am ready for it. Kasi dumaan ako sa trabaho ko, ma'am, as an appointed elected official of the Republic. I do not no excuses to give. I offer no apology. I did what I did because to continue, I said I did what I had to do kasi trabaho ko at ginawa ko. Whether or not it would run me down or push me up, it's too early and it for history to make the accurate count. Wala ako. I do not want to judge myself, except that I answer the problem, the questions, whenever it crops up.
Alright. Okay. Sir, amidst all these, issues about your, the arrest warrant po ng ICC, pinag-uusapan din po ngayon, syempre, yung impeachment po ni VP. Is it true that are you really going to join his defense panel, Mr. President? In her, rather, defense counsel po. In her defense team.
Ma'am. Yes.
You still join, sir? Pero
Yes.
you want the defense, the lead counsel anymore, sir?
Well, I will deal with the multiple problems as they come along. And there will be a lot of them. But the basic issues remain the same.
Alright. Sir, nakapag-usap na po kayo ni VP?
She was beside me a few minutes ago, after dinner.
Alright, it's good to hear you had dinner together. Sir, ano pong pinayo niyo sa kanya, sir? If there's any po.
Na pag nawala ako sa political scene, either natanggal ako o namatay ako or whatever, for any reason, sabi ko sa kanya, hiningi ko na sa Pilipinas na tulungan ka pagdating ng panahon mo. At tumakbo ka ng presidente. At continue. Hindi ko hinarang yan, ma'am. Ngayon na lang. Of late. Because I think